Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and these are the new headlights for the 335i.
Right here, if you don't know, I had a deer. You can see it's nice little hair still in there. Got this fender from a friend of mine. It's black, but the whole car's getting painted, so got this black fender put on. There's a little scratch in it here, but yeah, this whole fender is made out of plastic, and it like exploded. And so did my front bumper here, cracked here, and headlight cracked right here. So this is the stock one, and here's the other stock one. Has a bunch of yellowing and chips and everything in it. So now I'll show you guys the new ones. So I taken out the screws here. So I got the two top headlight ones. You shouldn't have these because mine is broken and you shouldn't have anything here. This is just to hold the headlight up. So these two bolts, these bolts on the top of the fender I have taken out, and the two ones over here, like I said, you shouldn't have these because this one is also broken. But anyways, that should take care of the front part of. So next, I already did it. The two bolts that are underneath here, you gotta take off your wheels, go in the fender liner. But I'll show you that when I take off the bumper, take all the bolts that are on the bottom of the bumper. Let's rip her off. I have no idea what happened to me taking out the bumper, but basically just fell off. Just had to undo some cords and stuff there for the fog lights, and I got this headlight out here. Put all the stuff in there and everything, which was a good thing. So now I can show you how to properly do this one. Okay, so what you want to do is take out this bolt and this bolt and these two down in here, and one more in the back. I think it's right there. Got these two bolts out. It fell right out, but you have to unplug it in the back. Well, here's the old headlight. It's still in pretty good condition. Might throw it up for sale. I don't know. But it's pretty decent. So this is the old headlight. You want to take these 4 bolts out, take out the little thing here, relay module, and this is some type of module for the adaptive headlights. So let's take those out. Yeah, and then there that is. So we're going to transfer this onto the next headlight, but right now I'm going to take off the other little module thing.
Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go. Never gonna say goodbye. No. Never gonna give you up. I'm never gonna let you go.
Alrighty. And there that is. This one's all nice and clean too. My one on the other one, like I said, I'll show you those. They look like crap. Like both of these look really bad. So if somehow you do not have a code, I would definitely recommend to replace it
replace these if they look like this. Like this looks really bad. And so does this. Well, this one just like fell out of that. So yeah, I would recommend to replace these if this has any type of water damage. That's usually why they say they're bad, like you get a code for it. So yeah, I would definitely replace those. I just replaced mine on the other headlight, so let's go throw in my stock ones and the new headlight for the left side. And you might also want to take out this gasket and put it in your new one as well. It's like a little ring that goes around this. And let's throw it in the new headlight. Alright, so here's my headlight. It's upside down. So first I'm going to put on this little guy. So you want to line it up so you don't got any plastic in the way. And plug it in. Now let's get the bracket that goes on here. Okay, so to take off this whole situation here, we're going to have to take off this bolt here and the bolt in here that I already took off, and then just move this bracket onto this headlight. Oh, shame. There it is. Rip. Alright, so now you take your new headlight, you take your old thing, your old little headlight bracket, put it on here, so everything lines up, wash your wires, and put your old bolts in. Alrighty, we're back on the old headlight. Now you want to take off this plastic cover here. Open this up, squeeze these two tabs here. Get that out, get that out. Then your headlight comes out. And then just take off the plug. And there's your headlight. There you're gonna put in your new headlight housing thing. Got the new headlight. This one has Phillips screws, so got my little impact here. Alrighty. Now on this one, I'll show you because it's going to be a little bit different. Instead of these prongs going on the bottom of this light here, take out your prongs here. Take your little plug. Now you're going to want to put this in like this with the little line thing that like makes it blue or white or whatever color you have. Slide it in there. Press it in until it snaps. It's in there snug. Put these two on here. Holds it in there. And then you take your plug. And then you plug it into the bottom. Alright, so in this old headlight, you also want to take out your, I'm guessing this is the sensor that levels everything. So take the two screws out for that. So this is the old headlight. The little thing in here that like adjusts if your headlight goes up or down.
So I put that into this one. So it has this little ball on it. This is what comes in it just to make your headlight just completely straight if you don't want to put that in your new headlight. So what it does, it's better if I show you on this because it's already out. This whole thing slides off. It doesn't pop off. It slides off. I already made that mistake.
So if you can see inside the hole, it slides off in that little white plastic thing.
Angle it down, and then you slide it in there. Now it's in there. And you angle it up. There. Now it's out. So on this one, it's a little different. You see how it slides off arrow? You slide it sideways, and then it just pops right out. This piece does. Then you push this in there, you slide it sideways, and then slide it back in. Then it's locked in there, and then the headlight should no longer move until it's all plugged in and your headlight tells it to move. Alrighty, now your headlight should be ready to put in the car. Alrighty, now this headlight is in, and this headlight's in. So let's go see if they actually work. Alrighty, they work. They're bright. Headlights actually work. You probably can't see the halos. Here, let's turn off the light.
They're so bright you can, there we go.
There's the halos. Blinker. It does work. Sick.
Hey guys, thanks a lot for watching the video. If you've been paying attention in the background, there's a little something that's about to go down. Just gonna say that the 335i is gonna get cut up. So make sure you like and subscribe for more content like that.